are you here, Chief?
We are here to inspect the Akulono site. You can see there is a massive work going on here. The businessmen in Lagos, particularly Balogu, have decided to come down to the east and invest. If you are going by the name Akulono, in English translation means the wealth is home. So we have been building and developing other places in Nigeria and even in diaspora. But this time around, we decided to come down home and bring our wealth. This is one of the reasons why we are here, to inspect the ongoing work. The people gathered here are traders, investors, professionals, captains of industries all over Lagos. At the moment, we are equally extending the branch of fellowship to those who are in diaspora that will equally join us, because as you can see, this project is so massive. We want to reproduce what is happening in other nations in the Igbo land. We are in Enugu at the moment. This project is in Enugu. We were there with the governor yesterday, where we did a brief ceremony about this project. You can see that this is a milestone, and pray Lord Almighty to grant us the strength to do the job, because we cannot do it without Him. That is the major reason why we are here. We want to transform this place into a mega hub. We have so many facilities here. There are housing. We are building clusters of shops and malls. There are haulages. There are loading bays. Anything you can talk about with the bonded terminals, so on and so forth. We want to transform this place to be bigger even than Dubai and other Asian countries that are doing better in business. Thank you for granting me this wonderful interview. It's my pleasure.
Yes. Every Igbo man, every Igbo woman, this is a welcome development. And I urge everyone to join hands, return home. Let's develop. This is our own. Let's develop our land and stop crying. Then kill, then destroy your goods without notifying you. Now, Alaba International Market should be moved to Enugu. When you people relocate and develop Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, you will make it attractive for the rest of the other people to come. Not be all the time you will be moving around. I hope they will not abandon it. I hope the Fulanese government will not give you people money and you will abandon the project and be going for another thing. If you people can build this, it's a welcome development. Let us develop Biafra land. The moment we do so, for better for us, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to Biafra Unity TV. Thank you. This is a welcome development.